Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be doing a quick sketch of a person seating. So it's a sitting posture, a seated person, and we're going to use some foreshortening and the coil method to try and explore two different angles or placements of the hands and the feet. So the shoulders are right here. We put in the essential frame. Right about there is the lower part of the body. So hands like this, or elbows, shoulders, or the delt area, and ovals for the hands here. That hand might not be visible when we're done, and the collar will be somewhere here. Okay, so chest area like that, and he is so this is, we have done a similar pose in a different video, but this is a slightly different exercise, also very essential when it comes to seating poses. So there's some foreshortening involved, and we're going to get this leg, since this leg is in our direct view, out of the way first. So I'm placing it like that, and an oval for the foot, the other leg. So we can do so many things with this pose. And there's the foot and the slightly bent leg. I'm going to grab myself a pen so that now we can illustrate this a little differently. So in either case, I am putting the arm out. So the other arm, as I had said, will possibly not be visible when we're done with the particular pose. But let's put the hand out right there. So he's putting the weight down on that arm, and then we go into the flat curved shin, and then the calf, and we have ourselves a foot. You can make it like with toes, I mean, if you want, or it can just be like slippers or sneakers, whatever. It could be a shoe. Again, that's an essential exercise that you could try at your own speed and see what works best in the pose that you have in the scenario that you want to base this kind of pose in. So now we can, so that's one angle of the seating that we have just explored, but you could also do some different things with this, as in, so if you choose to do a little foreshortening, so you want to bring the leg somewhere along here. Now this actually works fine as we have it, but sometimes if you just need a little more dynamic thing going there, so I made this foot larger here since it's now directly into the foreground, and we go backward. So knee still somewhere around there at the thigh, but now there will be a lot of foreshortening. But the knee actually, so it's not right where the knee was, so I moved it up, it might as well be here realistically. But if we do the coils, let's say, so you could do coils 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that, and just place them there so that you could just work along those lines, and then just go backward. So calf, shin, heel area, and then blend it back into so we made everything foreshortened and a little larger than this. And you could come here, like you could place this here if you wish. I'm not sure how this pink will come across, and if you choose to do that, then foot, and you go right back there, knee, thigh. I know that that's not going to be visible, but so not to, like, you know, overstep the boundary with the foreshortening thing. Like you could bring it closer and just work the coils up and the framework to make it, to place it in a different way. For that matter, the other leg right there, you could place that in different ways as well. You could have it straight, you could even put it farther apart. I'm not sure that's actually, it might work, but then of course you will have to adjust the size accordingly. And then the head, yes, so popularly a little hunched might work, so nose, mouth, or you could place it slightly differently in another direction, so have him look that way or look this way. So many things you can like do with this. So please do try it out. It's very fun, essential practice in seating poses. I hope this was of some help. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.